Hello, how you doing? Look, today you're not going to keep it long, just a nice little snacky kind of toast thing. So we're going to use anchovies or boquerones, which are slightly different, but you can use either one. Mixing bowl, 1 cup of tomatoes cut fairly small, about 1/4 cup of green onions or scallions, bell pepper, I like that in there, I'm using yellow, again tiny amounts and cut really small. There's the boquerones I'm using, or anchovies, nice and salty, about 1/4 cup. By the way, you can adjust the amounts of all of this, can't you? Little bit of parsley in the mix. Then I like to add in there, chopped again really small, some black olives. I'm using Kalamata, love those ones. Olive oil. Now I'm not going to add any salt to this today, but I am going to add some black pepper. Now you can adjust the amounts of this and add some other little bits in there that you fancy really. Very, very simple. Mix this around. Then what we're going to do is get that on some toast. Off you go. Delicious stuff. Really, really simple and delicious. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.